Hi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I am cute and I have a ribbon and I have a crown of ribbon. How do you get that? I don't have that. My cousin have that too, like yours. My cousin have blue and green. Oh my god, I really want. Then just buy in the Walmart. I bought it in the Walmart. Just it only $1. All of this is $1. Okay, I'm gonna buy it now in the Walmart. See ya! See ya too! Okay, that girl was so beautiful and she got it on the Walmart. I really want it and we're going to the Walmart now. Let's go, guys. Oh, we're in the movie now, so... oh, wait. Item! What is that again? Oh, the Walmart. Sorry. Oh, here we go. Okay. So, what should I get that? Oh, I want the pink one too. Let me get it. And let me shoot it. Wait, I need to pay it. Yeah, that beautiful girl says, you have to pay it. Yeah, let's go. Thank you. Okay, let's shoot it now. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I'm like her. Hey. What? I got it now. Wow, you look so beautiful. What's wrong with your voice? I don't know. Bye, guys.